Guys, today I'm making some red snapper with white rice. So here I just wash my snapper with lime and vinegar, and I just core it as well, guys. See this? Very important to do this with the knife. Give it like 3 cores so when you season. So right now I'm gonna grate some ginger, garlic, a piece of onion on it right now. This is my grater here, guys. I do things traditional way. All right, I'm gonna show you how I season my fish. Alright guys, here where I'm grating ginger here right now. Already grated my garlic. Yeah, check out those red snapper, looking lovely. Alright, so check it out guys. Here you go guys, just finished grating the garlic, ginger and the onion. So next we're gonna season it with some lovely season. So I'm gonna show you the season just now. Okay guys, this is the black pepper. And we have the pimento. We're gonna crush this, guys. I'm gonna show you how to do it. We have the garlic, ginger, and pimento. We have the all-purpose Maggi season, and here we have the all-purpose season. And guys, right over here, I'm gonna show you this. We have a Maggi fish season. Also, guys, see that red snapper on the pot? Zoom in so you guys could see that. Yeah. Alright, guys, here I had a little bit of black pepper here. This guys, all-purpose Maggi season. Not much. Here's the Maggi fish season. About that amount, guys. No measurements. I'm not gonna add the pimento, garlic, ginger. Not much, guys. And then I'm gonna add the Easy Spice all-purpose season. Just a little much, just a little bit, guys, because this is very salt. Here we have the pimento right here. This is the pimento. I'm gonna crush the pimento like this, guys. So check it out. Sorry for the booming noise, guys. So here we go. Check this out now. Look at that. See? Look at that, guys. Yeah. So all of that we're gonna use season. Season. You see the season right here? Alright. So right now I'm seasoning inside the fish right now. See all those pimento? See? Seasoning inside the core as well, guys. This is my blend season on it. Seasoning. Come in more a little bit. With the camera. Yeah. It's my camera person now. Yes, man. Big chef is here, man. Alright, guys. So I'm seasoning the fish. Seasoning all these core. See it look? Even the blend season. I just stuck it inside. Very nice flavor. It's gonna be there. Start again. Here's the rice. Right, I'm gonna wash the rice now. Put some water in the rice. Then I'm gonna show you how to season the rice. Salt. Not much salt, just a little bit of salt, guys. You know Jamaican style. I'm gonna put a green pepper in the rice. And put garlic, crushed garlic. Crushed garlic in the rice, guys. As you can see. I'm gonna put scallion and thyme. That's it, guys. And I'm gonna put a butter, piece of butter. Yeah, that's it. Look at the rice, guys. Yes, guys, that's it. Butter in it. So yes, guys, that's my rice. Scallion. See, you have scallion, we have the thyme, we have the butter, and we have the pepper in it. Okay, guys, that's gonna boil our rice right there. I'm gonna let that cook for about 15 to 30 minutes, guys. That's it. And I'm gonna drop a garlic. Woo! See that? It's sizzling. So guys, it's very important to make sure the oil is very hot. Okay guys, it's very important to make sure the oil is very hot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna drop the snapper in. Tail first, then head. Gotta take your time, guys, because I don't want you to get burned. Take your time. If you're scared, you use a fork or a spoon. Yeah, guys, just like that. I don't feel Jamaican yardy, guys. See that? Snapper frying. So I'm not gonna give you an estimate time. Yes, guys. So after it get brown, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna turn it and then show you the actual color after it get brown. Okay, it's not an estimate time of cooking, just a time of getting it brown. But you know, fish cook very quickly. So after it get brown, both sides I'm taking out and then brown still. I'm gonna show you when I. Alright, guys, check it out. Just turn it, guys. Looking brown, looking crispy. Alright, guys. After that, I'm gonna take it out, and then we're gonna make the brown. For you, girl, closer and closer. Alright, guys, your red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onion, that's white onion, carrots. So guys, basically this is gonna make the brown stew gravy. So what I do with my carrots, I do it like that, guys. Like that, do my carrots like that. Yeah, so we're gonna fry up our carrots in the same oil that we fry the fish in, guys. So I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Yes, guys, so here we're making the brown stew. I'm showing all. This is the season. Yes, guys. Check that out. Looking lovely, guys. See that? Alright, guys. We're gonna fry that up. And after that, we're gonna add our sauce to make our brown stew sauce to put the fish later on. So I'm gonna show you all the sauce that I had in, okay? So check this out. From a Caribbean cup and a teacup of water. Yeah. About a teacup and a half of water, guys. I'm gonna add my sauce. First, I'm gonna add this sauce. Check it out. Yeah, man. My pepper, hot mango sauce. You see, guys, I don't take measurements. As you can see, I'm gonna add just some fair amount. I'm gonna add my next pickled pepper, ginger, mango sauce. Okay, guys. You can go look it up. You can get it at your Joe Market. You won't get it in the regular supermarket, so you probably have to go to the Joe Market and get it. And this is the next sauce right here, guys. The Grace fish and meat sauce. You get these sauce at the Joe's supermarket. Probably you can get some of these sauce at the ShopRite. This is the next Caribbean Sunshine fish and meat sauce. Trust me, guys, these sauce make it delicious. Trust me. And then, guys, last but not least, I'm gonna end with some pure honey. Jamaican style cooking, guys. Yeah. And guys, trust me, I can't do without it. Normally, I will be using a Grace tomato ketchup, but I'm gonna use this tomato ketchup right here, guys. Just to give it some flavors. You just taste as you go along, okay, guys? All right, peace out. All right, guys, check out the rice. Rice just finished. Yes, guys, after 30 minutes, check that out. Check the pepper. Delicious, guys. All right, so over here, this is the gravy for the fish, guys. So check it here. Don't watch that, guys. That's just the seasoning, a little burn. So now I'm gonna put the fish in. Yes, guys, check that out. Looking delicious, man. Trust me, this gravy. You just taste this, guys, right now. So what I'm gonna do it like that. Gonna flip it, guys, to let that nice gravy get integrated into the fish. I'm just cooking 2 fish today, guys. Spread the onion like this on it. Guys, this brown stew fish, white rice, guys. So I'm gonna let this simmer down for like 5 minutes, then I take it off, and that's it, guys. Yes, guys, look at that. Looking very lovely, right? Yes, coming on to the finished touch. That's it. After 15 minutes, now it's ready. Look at that. Beautiful red snapper brown stew. Alright, guys, that's the finished product. Brown stew fish. with white rice. Look at that color of that rice, guys. Jasmine rice. Check that out. This guy's red snapper, brown steel fish. Check that out, guys. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Support the channel.